day one, technically. Yesterday was kind of day one, but
Day zero.
day zero, today's day one. Back to our room after a long day. It was so much fun. We met a lot of people, saw a lot of friends, had a lot of laughs.
Oh, that's all we did all day long was laugh. And look at me. Look at me. I'm a hot mess. But if you saw me today, I am so sorry. We were out in the rain and my hair started doing whatever it wanted. And it was
humidity.
If you see photos of us out there where I look like a hot mess, yeah, it was the rain.
That's why my hair is in a bun. Well, thanks for joining us in another vlog for the Houston on stage. We will see you in tomorrow's video, and that will be the last day because then we'll be going home. But there's still a lot of fun to be had, so we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.